Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how do you make very delicious guava salad. So now over here I already prepared and cleaned. This is the guava. I'm sure everybody knows it. I want to say that guava, it has very, very good health benefits. Fruit it is. So what you have to do, you will cut the little both sides of the ends of the guava. And when you make the salad, it's always good to pick them up a little bit more on a green side. Some people, they love it even much more greener than what I have. But I like a little bit greenish, yellowish. It's better. The yellow ones, I use them for the jam. I'll make it. But the green one, when I say green, what I wanted to say, the skin. Not too ripe. So what it does, it gives it better, good taste. So what you do, you will clean up inside of the guava and cut it in four. You can just squeeze it, it will come out, and then you can just push your spoon in and it will come the seeds out very easy. So when you squeeze it like this, it falls apart. So this is for the salad now we're gonna do. So I have to take the skin out and the seeds out. And I wanna say that when you clean up the seeds inside, still there is plenty juice. What you can do is, you can put it into the strainer, and with the spoon or with something, you can go over by squeezing them, and it will come a lot of juice, which I already did, and I want to show you, because it's not only seeds, it has a lot of liquid in the middle of the seeds. When I squeeze this now, you will see how much water liquid it's going to come out. So put them in a strainer and squeeze it, and you will see how delicious liquid come out. So you can give to your children, you can drink, whatever you will do it. You can use as a sauce. You can do so many things with it. So this is what I do. I'll put this away. Here it's already cleaned up. Some of them are yellow and some of them are red. They both very, very tasty, delicious. If you read about guava, you will see one of the healthiest fruit it is. So for the salad, in case if you have a company, you put all the seasoning in it, but the last 5 minutes before you mix it. Don't mix it before, because it will leave a lot of liquid and it's gonna get lumpy. But the taste will be definitely still good. So I have a lemon over here, one lemon, and more lemon you put, it's very, very good. I squeezed it about one big lemon. Sometimes I like to put, it's optional if you like, balsamic vinegar, just like about a teaspoon, which already, that's all left for me. For the seasoning, you have to put definitely cumin. I'm sure that you've seen it when people, they eat mango, raw mango, they put all those lemon taste and cumin. This is the same way it is. And if you like spicy, which is very good, you can put chili pepper on it. That's it. It's optional if you like mint, which I really do. So I'm gonna put some mint and salt. It will be very, very delicious. And we're gonna put, now this is because it's a salad, I'm gonna put good olive oil on it. And I'll guarantee you, you will love to eat this way. I want to show you, this is the seeds that I took it out from this salad, and this much liquid came out. You can give to your children to drink, to your kids, or you drink. It's very healthy. Don't let it go for waste. And you mix it like this way. The last 5 minutes before you sit at the table, 5 minutes before, mix it and put at the table. I usually take this salad with me at work, and I can finish it all. Not at once, but I come, I eat, and the store smells Very delicious. They always ask me, something sweet, it's smelling delicious. I tell them it's guava. Of course, I share with my customers. There's plenty people they love and plenty people they don't like. But I have to say to you, it's very healthy and very delicious. It's very appetizing. And when you start it, you really cannot stop eating. Now, a lot of time when I cut them, sometimes I eat with the seeds. But older you get, it's better not, because it will give the constipation, the seeds, because it's very hard. Just like a pear fruit, if you know what it is. So it's better to clean it for the guests. It will be more enjoyable without seeds. When they eat, it doesn't have to, the seeds come to under their teeth. So this is the way you prepare, and look at how delicious juice it is. This is not only from lemon. This is the guava leaves its own juice. So that's why 5 minutes before you mix it and you put it at the table. So this way it will absorb the taste and it doesn't get too liquidy. But the liquid later, you can just drink it like that. Well, I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll try this. This is really good. The house already smells beautiful, the guava smell. Thank you again, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.